Hello, Year 3, and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Now, you can't actually see me on the screen today, and that's because last time I included videos into my lesson PowerPoint, I froze a lot, didn't I? And sometimes I froze in very funny faces. But today I thought I would turn my camera off and just talk to you over the microphone. But not to worry, because you are going to see lots of faces of teachers from Chawson throughout the lesson. So today's lesson objective is the addition of money using column addition. So we're going to use everything we've learned about column addition to add some values of money. And we are going to help some teachers with their shopping. I hope you can help them. Now, the teachers at Chawson are sometimes forgetful, and at the moment they're so busy and they've forgotten some things on their shopping list, and they have asked us to total it up and them. So these are the things on our shopping list. We've got some bananas, some flowers, some coffee, a sandwich, tomato, juice, bread, bacon, eggs, chicken, cereal, jam, an orange, ice cream, a cake, ketchup, peppers, carrots, onion, milk, a spaghetti, yogurt, butter, beans, apple, sausages, rice, and lemon. We've got so much on our shopping list. And that is the most expensive on our shopping list. Well done if you spotted the chicken. The chicken is £4.32. Now we've spotted the most expensive. Can you spot the cheapest thing on our shopping list, the thing that costs the least amount of money? It's our onion, isn't it? Our onion is only 22p. Okay then, so with money then, this here is £1. We have got £1 here, and £1 is exactly the same as 100p. So if you see these today and you think, Miss Cullen, we haven't done column addition with money before, we only do it with 3-digit numbers. Well, we are going to do exactly the same methods because 100p is £1. So we can class this as our hundredths column. So 100 of those pennies is £1. So if 100 pennies is £1, how many pennies is £2.33? It's 233p. Well done. So as you can spot, it's just a decimal point here just to tell us that it's £2.33p, but actually 233p. They are both exactly the same. So £4.55 then, what's that in pennies? It's 455p. Well done. If you got that, you're probably seeing a pattern here. It's just missing that decimal point, making it in 100, like a 3-digit number. And finally, £6.79. What's that in pennies? 679p. Well done. So if you had something that was £6.79p in a shop, you could give them 679 1p's. Now, I don't think the person at the shopping assistant would be very happy as if they had to count 679p, but that is what that means. So we are going to use our column addition of 3-digit numbers today to help us with our addition of money. Now then, on here, I think we need to do a little bit of shopping to get started, to have a little practice before we do our teacher's shopping. So I want then some cereal and some spaghetti. So I need to do £1.88. That's how much the spaghetti is. But we are going to need to convert that into a money sum that has a decimal point in, because this is in pounds and that is in p. You can't do addition when they are not in the same form, so we need to convert it into a pound number. So 63p is exactly the same as saying £0 and 63p. That's exactly what that says. So spaghetti is 63p, and this is telling us it's £0 and 63p. So now they are both in the same form, both have a decimal point in there. So this is £1 and 88p, add £0 and 63p. So we are going to do our column addition. I put a pound sign here by the hundred are my pennies. So this side of the decimal point will be the pounds, and this side of the decimal point, my tens and ones, are going to be the pennies. So I put in 188, so it's 188 pennies, but it's £1 and 88p. So I've put my decimal point in there. I've also put my decimal point in for this one, so it's £0 and 63p. That's how much the spaghetti was. Now I've laid out my column addition perfectly, all in the correct column. Now before I even do anything to work out the answer, I have put the decimal point in the answer already, because the decimal point does not move. It won't end up here in your answer. It won't end up here in your answer. It will always be in this exact same spot, behind the £1 and in front of the pennies. So today, put the decimal point in there before you even do any of your workings out. So the first one then, we start with our ones, don't we? 8 add 3 is 11. So we've got 1 1, and we're going to exchange 10 of those ones, just like we've been doing in our column addition lessons. So that leaves us with 8 add 6. Oh, and don't forget this 1. What answer does that give us? 8 add 6 add 1. It's 15, isn't it? Well done. So I've crossed out that one to tell myself I've definitely included that in my number sum. And I've exchanged 10 of those 10s over to the hundreds column. So I've got 1 add 0. Oh, don't forget this one. So I've got 1 add 1 is 2. So my answer is £2 and 51 pence. That's how much it would cost to buy cereal and spaghetti. £2 and 51 pence. Okay then, so what if we needed to add 3 items then? Because sometimes we don't just need 2 things on our shopping list, we need 3 things. And this time I need some butter, these amounts out loud. So my butter is £1 and 22 pence. Well, £1 and 19 pence. Well done. And my sausages are £1 and 82 pence. Well done. Now I need to add all of these together, and I'm going to do it exactly the same way we have been doing with our column addition. I've just got 3 numbers in this addition. So I've laid it out. £1 and 22 pence, £1 and 19 pence, and £1 and 82 pence. That is the price of my butter, rice and sausages. So I've laid it out. Have I done it correctly? Or have I forgotten something I said before? What did I say before that I've forgotten here? I've forgotten to put my decimal point in my answer. There we go. Remember, it's really important to remember that. And they are in exactly the same place. So let's work this out then. We've got 2, add 9, add 2. What total does that come to? Comes to 13. Well done. So I've got 3 ones and I'm going to exchange 10 of those ones. So now I've got 2, add 1, add 8, add 1. Don't forget this one down here. What total does that come to? It comes to 12. Well done. So I've crossed out this one down here and I've exchanged 10 of those 10s over to the hundreds column. And then I've got 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. What is my total? It's 4, isn't it? Remember, I've crossed these out to make sure I've included them in my total in the answer. So that comes to this total for butter, rice and sausages. How do I say that amount? £4.23. Well done. As you can see, I've used the decimal point in the answer. I've put it here to show that it's £4, so pounds are before the decimal point, and 23 pence, the pence being after the decimal point. Okay then, I think that is enough practice. Okay then, so we are now going to do the teacher's shopping, and they've sent in some videos of the things they need. And first up, we have Miss Peck. Ooh, got too far.
Hi there, Year 3. I bet you're like me, you're thinking about Pancake Day already. I have my flour, but I have a problem. Not enough eggs. So this week, please, I'd like you to price me up for eggs and, of course, for some milk for my pancakes. Got it on my shopping list. Off you go.
Okay then, so Miss Peck needs some ingredients for her pancakes for Pancake Day next Tuesday. So she needs some eggs and some milk. Looking at our shopping list, can you see if you can spot them? What would our number sum be? It will be £3.27, because that's how much our eggs are, and 89p for some milk. So £3.27 and then £0.89. So that is the number sum you are going to have a go at working out with your column addition. So pause the video now and see if you can work out how much money Miss Peck needs for some eggs and some milk. Okay then, next up we have Mrs. Sage.
Hi, Year 3. Just looking at my shopping list for Sunday. Could I have a chicken and some carrots, please? Let me just have a look in here. Oh, I've only got a £5 note. Will that be enough?
Okay then, Mrs. Sage needs a chicken and some carrots for her roast dinner on Sunday. So looking at our shopping list, can you spot those? What would our number sum be? Well done if you worked it out. £4.32 for a chicken and 90p for some carrots. £4.32 add £0.90. However, she only has £5. Is that enough? So you're going to need to work it out and then find and see if your answer is above or below £5, working out whether she has enough money if it's below £5 or she needs some more money if it's above £5. Okay then, so pause the video now and have a go at working that out. Okay then, well done if you've worked that out. Next we have Miss White.
Hello, Year 3, it's Miss White here. Can you buy me some fruit? I'd really like some bananas and an orange. I've got £2 to spend. Do I have enough for an apple as well? Thanks.
Okay, then say Miss White would like some bananas and an orange. What is our number sum going to be? So you can spot it in our shopping list. Okay, it's £1.28 for bananas. Well done if you spotted that. And 58p for an orange. £1.28 at £0.58p. However, Miss White only has £2. Does she have enough money for an apple? How might you be able to work out if she has enough money for an apple? Well done if you said your answer at 34p for an apple. So you're going to have to work out how much a bananas and an orange is, and then you need to add on an apple and see if she has enough. See if that answer here is below £2. If it's above £2, it means she doesn't have enough. Maybe you could tell her how much more money she needs if she wants bananas, an orange, and an apple. So pause the video now and have a go at working that out. Okay, then next we have Miss Gardner.
Hello, Year 3. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. I've got a bit of a favour to ask you. I've been so busy, I've not had chance to go to the shop. And guess what? It's my mum's birthday coming up, so she's going to have her. Would you be able to do some shopping for me? That'd be okay? Brilliant. I've got enough money ready. Even better. So, would you be able to pick me up some flowers, some ice cream, and of course, what birthday's not complete? That birthday cake. Sweet thing. I hope that's okay, everybody. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Okay then, so it's Miss Garner's mum's birthday coming up, so we must do her shopping to help her out. She's been so busy. So she needs some flowers, ice cream, and a cake. So we have got 3 items in this number sum. Can you work out what our number sum will be if you could spot those 3 items in our shopping list? Well done if you spotted it. It will be £3.55 for some flowers here. £1.33 for some ice cream here, and £0.62, so just 62p for a cake. So you're going to pause the video now and have a go. You can put all 3 of these into a column addition and work out how much money Miss Gardner needs. Okay then, so finally we have Mrs. Wood, and Mrs. Wood needs us to do her shopping as well.
Hi, Year 3. I wonder if you could help me. I'm in school this week working hard, but I've just realised I forgot some of the things off my shopping list. And I spoke to Miss Cullen and she said you might be able to help me. So what I've missed off is my drinks and things I need at home. So would I be able to get please some milk, some juice, and some coffee? The only thing is I've only got £4 in my purse. Do you think that would be enough money, or do you think I need to get some more money? If so, can you let me know how much more I'm going to need, and then hopefully I can maybe go and get it on the way home. I really hope you can help me. Thanks very much. I'll wait for you to let me know what the answer is. So remember, I need some milk, some juice, some coffee, and I've got £4. What will it be enough? Thanks very much. Bye.
Okay then, so Mrs. Wood needs some milk, some juice, and some coffee. Can you spot them in our shopping list and find out what our number sum is? Well done if you spotted them. So some milk, we've already had some milk, didn't we? Miss Peck needed some milk. 89p for some milk. Add 76p for some juice. And then £2.89 for some coffee. So we've got three things in this in Mrs. Wood's list. So see if you can work out how much they are all together. However, Mrs. Wood only has £4. Does she have enough money? You have to work out whether the total is above or below £4. If not, how much more money does she need so that she can pop and get some on her way home? So then, pause the video now and have a go at working that out. So, well done, Year 3. You have worked out 5 different questions and you have managed to help out 5 teachers with their shopping. I'm sure they're going to appreciate your help so much. Now, I've popped on a document on the website that has the answers to these questions. So if you would like to have a look and see if you were correct, you can go onto that document and mark your answers after the maths lesson. I'd love to know if you managed to get them all correct so I can let the other teachers know how well you got on as well. Thank you so much for joining me in today's maths lesson. I hope you had as much fun as I did.